Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 6th August 2025. India's Bluestone Jewellery and Lifestyle has trimmed the size of its initial public offering. The Accel India-backed company will now issue fresh shares worth 8.2 billion rupees or about $93 million, down from 10 billion rupees earlier. The company, which sells diamond, gold, platinum and studded jewellery, competes with Titan, Kalyan Jewellers and Tribhovandas Bhimji Zaveri among listed firms in India. Donald Trump has called India a poor trading partner and plans to raise tariffs on Indian imports beyond the current 25% within 24 hours, citing India's continued Russian oil purchases. India strongly rejected the criticism, pointing to ongoing US and EU trade with Russia. The rare political consensus in India condemned Trump's remarks as experts warned of a major export hit. The International Financial Services Centres Authority or IFSCA has introduced the TechFin and Ancillary Services or TAS Regulations 2025 with immediate effect. These regulations aim to streamline the regulatory framework for TechFin and related ancillary service providers operating within IFSCs. Under the new framework, all new applicants intending to offer services under TAS regulations must now submit an application fee of $1,000 along with a one-time registration fee of $2,500. Venture capital firm Z47 and hedge fund Tiger Global trimmed their stake in Bengaluru-based Ola Electric during Q1 financial year 26. On average, Z47, formerly Matrix Partners India, is expected to have made between Rs 155 crore and Rs 192.9 crore as a result of this stake sale, while Tiger Global, which holds a stake in the company through its Internet Fund 3, is expected to have taken home between Rs 39 crore to Rs 48.7 crore. The news comes after South Korean automotive major Hyundai and Kia offloaded their stake in Ola Electric through open market transactions in June. Non-banking financial company Tata Capital has filed updated draft papers for an initial public offering comprising up to 47.58 crore equity shares. The funds mobilized through the issue will be used for augmentation of the company's Tier 1 capital base to meet future capital requirements, including onward lending. If successful, this IPO will be the largest initial share sale in the country's financial sector. It will also mark Tata Group's second public market debut in recent years, following the listing of Tata Technologies in November 2023. India is just weeks away from achieving a historic feat in the global commercial real estate landscape. The country is set to cross 1 billion square feet of office stock by the third quarter of 2025, making it the fourth largest office market in the world. This milestone represents a monumental leap from just 192 million square feet in 2005, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 8.6% over the last 20 years. India now stands on the brink of global real estate recognition, trailing only China, the US and Japan. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.